The Horizon Invitational is a rite of passage for new Horizon drivers. And I had a look at the M2 you'll be driving. Courtesy of the festival, of course. Very cool.
And they're off! Still got a couple other cryptos. They just get moving or they'll miss the race. Final call.
Jordy, where are you? They're closing the gate like now.
Running late. I'm sorry, I'll explain later. Just go, we can make it!
Jordy, you are... Ugh. Let's go.
That's the Invitational and full swing now. Finally, from the roadway on freeway cover. Making it in by just a hair.
That was too close, Jordan. We nearly missed out.
Tell me about it. Thanks for waiting.
Is that the pilot? Is he meant to be here? Maybe he'll earn a wristband if he's lucky. Our new engines have pushed through the qualifier, proving to us all that they're ready to take that first step towards becoming a legend. Passing the sun gate now, only at Horizon will you find danger signs, sun parties, and the myriad of spectacular skills. There's the Range Rover and the Raptor, ready to dominate any terrain in the Horizon cross-country event. And out of the hypercar gate, the Lambo Countach and the Acura NSX, screaming towards the festival now. This is it! All the way from the back. This is their final stretch. Time to glory!
Oh, wow, there it is. The festival. Come on, foot down.
The drivers are so close to their first wristband now. From the qualifiers to the Invitational, they have been exceptional. Make some noise! What a display! They made it! I wonder, what's next for these drivers?
Hey, welcome to the festival. That was quite a drive. Are all your races that exciting? One of the perks of being the boss is that I get to reward drivers who show real potential. So, these are for you. So, your choice. The GR86 is the driving experience. It'll make great company on the asphalt for these first events.
An excellent choice. And remember, you'll get to drive them all anytime you want.
Your first Horizon wristband, your key to compete in official Horizon events. First of many on your journey to becoming a Horizon legend. But let's have a look at what's next. To claim this next wristband, you'll need to complete this Horizon Rush. To access it, you'll need to prove yourself. You'll be in faster, Class B cars, and here are the events to match. So what will it be?